When I wake up in my own pink world, I start my day with a glass of water, maybe fancy water. And if you wonder why am I dressed in this bikini, because I wanted to show you my current shape. And then you can check out the video from 1 year ago, No Fit Lifestyle Reset, to see how I looked 1 year ago. And in this video, I will give you 3 simple and fun hacks that will help you get into your best shape ever till now while having fun, and also they will help you manifest anything that you desire besides your dream body. I'm Christina, a certified personal trainer, holistic fitness and wellness coach, psychology graduate, nutritionist, and I'm here to help you get into your best shape, body, mind, and soul. I'm gonna put some clothes on. Pink, of course, because pink is the color of happiness. And I will tell you now what are the 3 simple fun hacks that you can use as well in order to get into your best shape, body, mind, and soul. First, I think I have to, go either a little further, put this a little higher, and trick number 1, hack number 1, water. Fancy water. Water infused with either, a herbal infusion. This is with raspberry and vanilla, 0 sugar, and look, it has an amazing color. Also, it has some strawberries inside. So good, because drinking 2 to 4 liters of water per day, depending of course on your activity levels, and how much you sweat, how much you weigh, and all these kind of things, 2 to 4 liters of water per day are extremely important in order to help you lose fat. Super, super, super important to keep yourself hydrated. And what I do, look, I put it in these kind of jars at home, so I know, okay, this has 1 liter. Or when I go out, travel, walk, whatever I do, I have this 1 liter little bottle, all pink of course, that keeps me accountable and I know how much I'm drinking. And you're wondering, how is this hack number 1 gonna help me manifest? Well, while you drink the water and when you pour the water in the glass, you just start talking with the water. Yeah, might sound crazy, but trust me, it works. Because water has a lot of great energy. So before you drink the water, you look at it and you can say to the water whatever you want to manifest, to be, to achieve, whoever you think you are already. And you have to say it in present tense, like, I am abundant, I am beautiful, I am perfect health, I am, whatever you want to manifest, and whatever you are actually already, in a different dimension, and you want to quantum jump to that, and you tell to the water, I'm beautiful, I'm abundant, I'm perfect health, I am everything that I ever wished for and more. And now the water with all this energy goes inside your body. Thank you. And you become what you just told the water. I swear it works. It might sound a little bit woo-woo, but it's an amazing hack. It works body, mind, and soul. So good. Hack and tip number 2, extremely important if you want to lose fat and if you want to manifest anything else that is not necessarily related to your body in any other domain, because once you feel good, once you look good, once you're in the frequency of like feeling amazing, joy, everything that's on that frequency will come to you. So it doesn't matter in what area of life it is. Even if it's professional, career, love, it doesn't matter. When you do all these things, these 3 simple hacks fun, that are really, you know, good to implement into your life, everything else will start to fall into place, I swear. So hack number 2, eating delicious food. And besides the amazing delicious food that, you know, for example, I have chicken here with 7 spices, and I made here also kind of like an Arabic Lebanese type of green beans, because I used to eat the green beans very plain, and it became kind of boring, you know, just plain boiled green beans. And now they're so tasty, so much fun. So I put a little bit, I sauteed them with a little bit of garlic, onion, diced tomatoes, some cumin, some cinnamon. Now it tastes amazing. And besides of these, you know, whole foods, I love to have always prepared healthy snacks. And you saw in the thumbnail of this video the cheddar crackers. You have the recipe on my channel. I'm gonna link it in the description of this video. And I always love to have, you know, already made some snacks. Like for example, now today I made this lentil chips. So good, amazing. I'm gonna make a video with the recipe and everything. So fast, so good. All these, you can have it in one serving. 20 grams of protein, amazing, homemade. So good, so crunchy, super, super healthy. And also, if I want to have something sweet, amazing. This kind of like sorbet, I'm not gonna have it because I don't want to mix it with the salty chips, but you get what I mean. You can make it also more a creamier texture gelato, a smoothie bowl with white chocolate and pistachio protein, avocado, a little bit of spinach, and as well sometimes I put oats. This time I didn't. And some fruits. Delicious. Also I make little chocolates sometimes. Everything that is, you know, delicious and with good ingredients that are good for your body, mind and soul. It's extremely important if you want to lose fat, and you know, to make it in a sustainable and fun way. Because if you're always gonna have, you know, just plain salad, lettuce with plain rice and plain grilled chicken, you're not gonna be able to sustain that, because it is boring. Yeah, sometimes I like to eat that, but I can't eat that all day every day with nothing else and, you know, tell myself that, oh, I love it, I'm happy. Sometimes I do, and I don't mind it, but I do need this little extra spices, to say so, in order to make my life, you know, more joyful. And the third hack, super important, that will help you to lose fat, because in order to lose fat, we need to be in a calorie deficit. That means that we need to burn more calories that we ingest. So even, for example, when you do this kind of snacks, it's important to know the macros, so the amount of protein, carbohydrates and fats, especially the amount of protein, because when we build muscle, so we need more protein, we also, you know, help the body to lose fat. So the amount of protein is very important, and you must have at least your, you know, your weight in grams. So for example, if you are 120 pounds, you should have at least 120 grams of protein per day. And you can check in a lot of places, and I'm gonna make a video as well, you know, about that, the amount of protein that certain foods have. And for example, now I know these have 20 grams of protein and are around 350 calories. So this is a snack, but it's also a meal. I count it because it has the calories, it has the proteins. What a lot of people do sometimes, they think that, this doesn't count. No, it does count. It's food as well. So you need to count this as well in order to lose fat. And to come back to hack number 3, which is walk a little bit more. Focus on your, you know, activity outside the gym. You don't have to spend an hour on the treadmill at the gym, which in my opinion, if you do that every day, it's quite boring. What I did and what I love to do, especially for you ladies out there who love beautiful things and, you know, shopping too, I suggest for you to go window shopping. I call it window shopping because otherwise you're gonna tell me, hey, I watched this video and Christina told me to go shopping if I want to lose weight. And maybe, you know, your husband's boyfriend are not gonna be very happy. They'll be like, stop watching her videos. That's bad advice. So, no, you don't need to buy everything that you see. If you find something that it's nice and a good price and you will use it, why not? Like I did, you know, on one of my cardio shopping trips, I found this super cute sporty jacket, was 12 euros. It's a great buy. I love the color, you know, that's amazing. However, I also, you know, tried a dress that was 1,750 euros, the one in the thumbnail of this video, and no, I did not buy that dress. However, I enjoyed trying it on. It was amazing, and I just had a good feeling going in my shopping trip and discovering what new things are now, you know, in the shops, especially with the spring new collection. And this also helps to manifest because you have this good feeling if you go shopping without thinking of like, oh, but I have money or I don't have money. You don't need to have money in order to go shopping, by the way. You have to go shopping, window shopping, with the idea that you are gonna go and have a look at everything that is out there, and whatever you see and it pleases you and you feel it's nice, you're gonna try, and you're not gonna look at the price tag. Because let me tell you something, super wealthy people, that's what they do, and no, you might be surprised, they don't buy everything on the spot. Either they think about it, or even if they want to buy it, maybe they'll buy it online, maybe they'll ask, you know, their personal assistant to go afterwards and take the things. The super wealthy people, this is what they do. So if you want to feel super wealthy, do your cardio in the most luxurious shops that you love, without looking at the price tag, and just, you know, walking around, trying the things that you absolutely love, feel the feeling of, you know, looking so amazing in those things, and I swear that you will also manifest the money or the things themselves that will come to you. You're gonna do your steps, take a watch with you that, you know, will help you count your steps and calories. You're gonna lose fat, feel amazing, and in the next few days you'll just be surprised how, you know, everything that you want just starts to come into your life and all the fat starts to go away and you're gonna look and feel amazing. These are the 3 simple and fun hacks for fat loss and manifesting fast. To recap them, number 1, drinking lots of water, and if you want, just make it fancy with some delicious infusions, no caffeine, some fruits. Talk to the water, tell the water all the good things that you want to have achieved, and drink it saying thank you and embodying all those beautiful things. Number 2, eat food that you love and that loves you back. The main meals, make them fun, and always have prepared snacks that, you know, keep you full, satisfied, like this crunchy. So good. Chickpea chips. And number 3, go for window shopping cardio. Amazing for the body, mind and soul. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you use already these tricks. Of course, also make sure that you work out 3, 4, 5 times per week. Eat always food that you love and that loves you back. And looking forward to see you soon with more amazing content for a happy, healthy lifestyle that will help you always to be in your best shape, body, mind and soul. Thank you so much for joining me, and see you soon. Kisses and good vibes always.